So what are we doing today?
Stuff.
Alright, YouTube, we're doing stuff today.
Doing stuff. Now, welcome back, Garage Shenanigans. Today we are making the Versa
Super janks.
Not jank. We're putting hood pins in there when it doesn't really need hood pins, but why not? There's other reasons to have hood pins. It's stylish. It makes it a race car.
Oh boy.
Yeah. And it's loud, so now it needs hood pins. Now it's a race car.
Oh
so,
boy.
To mount the hood pins, on the Versa has these little hood stop bump things, which just kind of unscrew like that, and it's perfect accessible for the hood pin. Just fits right in there, and then the nut goes over it, holds it steady. And then we're going to mark where it sits on the hood, which should be roughly around there, and drill a hole, and then that's about it.
Alright.
Put this in there. Okay. Now I need to get something to mark it with. And I'm going to put a little bit of grease on the top of the pin. So that way when it shuts, it's going to mark the hood.
Well, okay.
See, now we got two little grease dots. That's what we need to drill. Also,
Oh boy.
we have to remove this right here for the latch system, because there's not going to be a reason for that when we have foot pins. So
Okay.
we're also going to take off the front grill to get to that.
Ah,
That's later.
so much.
Sit on the car. You gotta participate.
I don't want to participate. Your car, you get to destroy it with holes. I'm personally not comfortable with that.
How does that make you feel?
Uncomfortable.
Uncomfortable. It's okay. It will all be fine. Step bits, while not necessary, will make it a lot easier. Have that pin fit the Yeah, I might have to make them a little bit wider on the bottom end. It takes a little bit of test fitting over and over, constantly finagling, and then this can adjust a little bit left to right, so it just takes a moment. You need lots of patience. This is. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the front grill so I can get this out of there so it doesn't keep closing on that.
Okay.
Because the hood needs to be just a little bit lower. These things need to be a little bit higher. All that nonsense.
Nonsense. Hey, Tony.
And now
Is this for the shenanigans?
yeah. I still do that.
I know you do. Hashtag free Grim. I'm back.
Yes. Tony went to jail for a short time.
Yeah. Over a failure to fucking appear. Ain't that great?
Twice.
Twice. I'm the faggot whose accord we smashed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the last time you were on the show, I think.
That was the last time I was in a fucking video.
I don't like it.
So, what are you doing here, Dr. Mechanic Reynolds?
Drilling holes.
Drilling.
And then putting in hood pins that he doesn't need, but things still look cool, so.
They do look cool. Why you gotta judge?
So you get this green beast on camera yet? I'm pretty sure you did.
Yeah.
Yep.
Alright. I need a wrench. I'll be back.
Wrench.
Good luck.
I'm gonna get beer soon.
You should get some rum.
Drink beer, kids.
Rum. Rum's more fun.
Rum isn't $6 and $6.
Depends on what kind you get.
Yeah, let me get some $6 rum. That'll definitely be great for my system.
As long as you're okay with it.
No, I'm not.
Awesome.
So you move the majigger to the doohickey and figure out that I don't know what I'm talking about.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
That's obvious.
That's just obvious.
Alright.
Yep.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This is going. This is going, bro. I'm free. I'm happy. Camera foul. Yeah, ta.
You loser.
Yeah.
Yeah. At least you accept it.
You got to, or, you know, you die.
Yeah.
If I didn't learn to live with it, I'd be off some corner somewhere. Don't ask me what I'd be doing because I'm too afraid to ask.
Okay.
Okay. Is it sad that I still want to be out of the house?
No,
For all we've done today.
it's okay.
I just want to go around and just listen to more music.
No.
And there we have a thing.
Here it is.
I shall head back inside the house.
Okay. Have fun.
I shall.
All
Now
right.
that you say it.
Oh, just comes right out there.
I just need to disconnect the cable.
What will you do with the cable?
Nothing. Just leave it off. Won't be much of a point of having it on there anymore.
Well, yeah. I'm trying not to be super shaky, but it's not working.
That's There you go. Yes, I'll just dangle that there. Doesn't need to do anything.
Okay.
All this stuff.
All this stuff.
pins are a little bit more further down on that side.
That looks weird.
You don't like it?
I don't like it. Okay. Well,
Okay. I
got
got one
one.
fully adjusted and installed. Well, this plate isn't installed, and neither is the line. But
the pin goes
it
through.
doesn't catch.
That's it.
That one's still got to be tightened and adjusted height-wise. So,
Yeah.
and this just slides through and flips over. That's it. Yeah.
Nice.
I like to keep my hood as flush as possible. I don't like it jiggling up and down a whole lot. I think that one, the 240, kind of jiggles a little bit. It'll be fine.
Yeah.
You know. To adjust it, you just need to move the nut, loosen it. Take the bottom threads and take the bottom nut and loosen it more. That way you can move the whole stud up. Yeah. And you don't want to fully tighten it down until you make sure that the height's going to be good. So it's just a lot of lifting and put it down the hood a million times. Ow. Yeah, like that needs to be a little bit higher. Just a little bit
more.
higher.
I like how you talk to yourself when you're frustrated.
I'm not frustrated, I'm just talking to myself. I don't know. I just do that. You'll know I'm frustrated and talking to myself. I get angry,
Yeah, it's not really talking, it's more...
like cursing.
Yeah, you're more talking to the car and... Yeah. Maybe a
just
little bit
bit
more.
more.
Yeah.
Mostly difficult because the whole hood is slanted downwards.
Yeah.
If it was flat, more like the 240 almost, or just an older hood, it'd be a little bit easier. It's okay. It's not totally hard. So, just takes a little bit extra adjustments. It's gonna sit a little bit higher.
Alright. Good enough? Close? A little bit more?
I don't remember how the other one sat, 'cause not feeling weird about it. Where's the other one? Yep.
Goes on through pretty easily.
Yep. Just like that. Okay, now you'll tighten down both nuts. You'll get some self-tapping screws. Drill these plates into the hood.
I just got a little worried there. Forgot we were doing this for YouTube, so I was like, you? Wait, I'm doing what? Oh god.
Why don't you like doing stuff with me?
Because I feel like I'm gonna fuck it up. And then I'm gonna break your
Nothing
only...
you can do that I can't fix.
Well, I mean, yeah, you can fix anything with money.
That's okay.
Did you know the one thing we don't have? Money.
Drugs.
That too. As bad as it is. Great.
Alright. Now, there's a bag I had somewhere.
Thank you. Just Drilling screws in. Here we
These
go.
aren't so bad. I thought these were a lot worse. They're actually pretty good. Because most of the time when I get hardware from online stuff, it's always garbage.
Yeah.
I did blue side up because there's a film on it that will be a very shiny surface. Not that it really matters because you're going to get scratched to hell, but why not? The other side was already more scratched.
Yeah.
So. Yeah. Shiny.
Good enough.
Good enough.
Good enough.
They didn't give me any self-tapping screws for the lanyard side though. Like the thing that actually holds the pin, so
Yeah.
I'll have to figure something else with that.
That seems weird to me. But
And since this is going to go there, I don't want it to hit the screw, so I'm doing it that way. I want to straighten out.
it's starting to rain.
It's okay. Almost done. Goes through. These will both go somewhere in there.
Somewhere.
Somewhere. Maybe I can mount them right there where the horn thing was. Yeah, or the little clip thing. There's also a horn there.
Okay.
Now, how do you think about it? What do you think? Like it?
Looks kind of like your car has a mustache. Very wiry.
Nope.
Or
Wiry
braces.
mustache. Good.
Mhm.
Great. Alright, starting to rain, but just got everything finished up. These lanyards, I just threw a bolt through it and put it on a hole that was already existing on the vehicle because there was no hardware. And this is what it's going to look like once everything's fully down. Kind of comes up through here. Just like that. It's raining. I'm going to put the grill on later, maybe. I'll just decide how I like it later. So, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you guys think. If this was useful information. I'll put the product in the description below because I know people like to ask about products. These were $11, so these are pretty cheap. They feel good quality. So, yeah, like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in later videos.
Bye.
Me.